Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a passive income using CPA marketing method, and this is another CPA marketing tutorials. I'm going to walk you through the entire steps, so watch the video until the end. Before that, if you're new to my channels, I make videos on money making, money saving and tutorials. I try to upload one video every day, so subscribe, like and share, and watch the video until the end to win 10-pound PayPal money. So in this video we're gonna look at this website called CPA Lead. If you watch my old video, you know about the CPA Lead. Is where you can get CPA offers, cost per action. The viewers had to take action, something like a sign up for free trial or enter for to win a gift card. They had to put an email address. That's action, and you get paid for that. The various offers can pay you various amount. Here you can see 75 to 48 to $1.02. It's depend on the offers, guys, and depend on the country you promote. And what you have to do now, last two videos we look at the Facebook method, but here we can use another social media. It's called Twitter. But before that, you need to go to this magical website to understand that. This is the magical website. It's called hashtag.org. What is this website? This website can tell you the hashtags that performing in 24 hours time period in Twitter. So if you type make money online, you can see people are posting tweeting about make money online today. Within 24 hours that you can see the trend go up, then they go down, they go up, then that means people every single day for tweeting about make money online. So there's a hope that you can promote this to make money online. If you put the affiliate link, there's a chance people will click on it because people are searching on it and people are posting on Twitter. At the same time, here the offer I want to promote is called Survey Junkie. That you can see is a survey website. People from Canada and USA get signed, and I get paid in $1.02 for that. So what you have to do, just click that. This is your affiliate link. I'm gonna walk you through the entire steps, so watch the video on that, how you can put the affiliate link and everything. So first, what you have to do now, this is a keyword. Copy that and go to this website called hashtag.org. Oh, we already know that make money online is good. Now put survey there and search it for, and if there is a people tweeting about a survey, hashtag survey on that you can see it's go there's 52, then it go down, then it go up. So people are tweeting about surveys every single day. So if you come down the bottom, that you can see the tweets are various, but you can see they've used survey, hashtag survey on their tweet. So what you have to do now, you need to type in a post on here. So what I did is, this is the one I typed: best hashtag survey site to make money online every single day, only the people from USA. Then I put three hashtag survey junkie, hashtag make money online, and hashtag survey, and this is the affiliate link. But in Twitter you can put affiliate link without any issue. So what you have to do, don't put this big spammy looking affiliate link here. So copy that, go to website called bit.ly gonna show you a long affiliate link into short one. Don't worry about that retargeting and everything. Your link won't be destroyed. Whenever the people click the short link, you will get the commission. Don't worry about that. So what you have to do, show the link and copy that short link and put it in your post here. This is a trick that you want to do. This, follow this method. Tweet about your offer 8 to 10 times per day. Don't just tweet the same thing over and over again. Modify your tweet, or you can promote a different offers, but tweet about your offers 8 to 10 times per day and use 2 to 3 hashtags, that relevant hashtag. That's why I recommend this website hashtag.org to find the relevant hashtag for your CPA offer. After that, what you do, try to use an upload picture, because always pictures or videos convert best than post. So that's why I went on to canva.com to create this simple post for Twitter, that you can see money picture, best survey site to make money every single day, only for the people from USA, make money on a hashtag there. I download that. Now you can see this is my Twitter page here, and this I upload this picture and I put a direct affiliate link, shorten direct affiliate link. this is one way that you can do it. So I post it now, 1 hour later I come back, I make a different post it on here, and another 1 hour later I post a different thing. Now you can copy this and post it on Facebook group and pages if you want. So you can, with the one post, one set of you can post it to multiple places like that. And there's another way that you can do. Instead of putting pictures, just copy this post and with the affiliate link and go to Twitter again, and on the search bar type hashtag make money online, and these are the posts people are posting. So this is a post on 3rd November. So this is a post on 16th. So what you can do, click this one called comment section that you can copy and paste your comment there, and you can post it there. So whenever the people come to this post and they click your comment section, if they click the link, and I'll register for that offer and you get paid for that. So you can use the Twitter in this way to make money, passive income actually, by promoting CPA offers, guys. And you have to understand one thing, this is won't happen overnight. You can do it every single day. Spend 1 of your time. Making posts is 10 minutes, posting on Twitter is 2 minutes, 12 minutes, or roughly 15 minutes work, guys, that you can post 8 to 10 times per day, and you can have more chance to bring more viewers to your post. Now this is one way, and you can actually use a Twitter another way. I will make a video on tomorrow. For that, what you have to do is subscribe and like this video and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release a new video. Also, if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is leave a like and leave a comment, I like this video, and put your PayPal address. When this video gets 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.